Friend, hey there. How have you been? It's been a while since we last caught up. Hi. I'm doing well, thanks. Yeah, it has been a long time. I've missed chatting with you. How about you? How's life treating you? Friend, life's been pretty good, thanks. I've been keeping busy with work and some personal projects. Oh, and I recently went on a vacation to the beach. It was so relaxing. How about you? Any exciting updates? That sounds wonderful. A beach vacation must have been refreshing. As for me, I've been focused on my studies and just finished my exams. It feels great to have them behind me. Now I'm looking forward to a well-deserved break. Friend, congratulations on completing your exams. I'm sure you did fantastic. What are your plans for the break? Any special trips or activities in mind? Thank you. I'm relieved they're over. For the break, I'm planning to visit my family back in my hometown. It's been quite a while since I last saw them, and I miss them a lot. Besides that, I hope to catch up on some leisure reading and spend time outdoors, maybe go hiking if the weather permits. Friend, that sounds like a perfect plan. Family time is always special, and I'm sure they'll be thrilled to see you. Don't forget to take some time for yourself as well. So, any new hobbies or interests you've picked up lately? Absolutely. Family is a top priority for me. As for hobbies, I've started learning to play the guitar. It's been a challenging but rewarding experience so far. I've also been experimenting with cooking and trying out new recipes. It's been fun exploring my culinary skills. How about you? Any new hobbies or interests on your end? Friend, that's impressive. Learning the guitar takes dedication, but it's such a fulfilling skill to have. As for me, I've been getting into photography. I bought a new camera and have been practicing capturing moments and exploring different photography techniques. It's been a great way to express my creativity. That's fantastic. Photography is a wonderful artistic outlet, and with your creative eye, I'm sure you're taking some stunning shots. Do you have any favorite subjects you enjoy photographing? Friend, thank you for the kind words. I've been experimenting with various subjects, but I'm particularly drawn to landscapes and nature photography. There's something so serene about capturing the beauty of the natural world. I've also been trying to document everyday moments and candid portraits of friends and family. That's beautiful. Nature photography can be incredibly captivating, and capturing everyday moments is such a meaningful way to preserve memories. I'd love to see some of your photographs sometime. Maybe you could share them with me when we meet up next. Friend, absolutely. I'd be more than happy to share my work with you. We should definitely plan a meetup soon. It's been too long since we had a chance to hang out. How about next weekend? We could grab a coffee and catch up properly. That sounds like a plan. Next weekend works perfectly for me. I can't wait to see your photographs and catch up in person. Let's decide on a time and place closer to the date. It's going to be so much fun. Friend, definitely. We'll figure out the details and keep in touch. I'm looking forward to our coffee date and spending quality time together. Until then, take care and enjoy your break.